Using contemporary art in my science classroom was so exciting with Art 21 that this year I embarked on using dance in my science classroom. In the process, my science students were able to communicate with the dance students and teach them a few concepts from the course. They worked with words, vocabulary lists, helping them to sort of put the ideas together and for the dancers to creatively express these scientific ideas through movement. It was very exciting to get the students together, looking at how to interpret these ideas, how to collaborate in a very creative way that incorporates skills they hadn't necessarily used before.
Separately as classes, and we worked together as much as we could. My kids, this is their exam, so they are getting marked on this. In some cases, they have not even heard the music they're going to hear today, or the script that they're dancing to. So they were inspired by words and the order. We all saw the presentations, the science presentations, but we didn't necessarily work with a script. So that's what's happening today. So for their exam, the dancers are trusting that their process is going to work
with ours. Now, for you guys as science students, some of this will be familiar. It's from the grade 12 Earth and Space Science class, so they've taken different topics. But there's a little bit of overlap with the grade 9 too, especially in the space topics, so pay attention to those. So it's really neat for my students because most of them have not seen the full dance performance and how the dancers are interpreting these scientific concepts that they learned about. So it's kind of exciting.
If an asteroid from space were to impact the Earth, it would have a huge effect on the surrounding life, possibly even cause another mass extinction. Currently, most asteroids in our solar system reside in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, held in its counterclockwise orbit by the force of gravity. However, when asteroids collide, they are thrown out of their normal orbital path, left to drift among the other stray objects in the deep darkness that is space.
The gold-white curvature is a distortion of space-time fabric, so effective that the course of a light wave is bent as it travels through the curvature. The light wave is altered in such a way that the apparent position of a star is shifted.
The singularity began to expand, and very fast. All that compressed matter shot out faster than the speed of light in virtually every direction. A magnificent spectacle of colors, lights, heat, and energy.
Foundation of the Earth, so like that's what we were trying to do when we were creating stuff with the blocks. Like it's sort of representing like the creation of the Earth, basically.
Yeah, they were really awesome to work with. Like, everybody had, like, there was no like chain of command. Everybody had their own ideas to the group, and they all brought it together.
The first felt kind of odd, just because like the script and like the information, because I'm part of the science group, not the dance group. It just kind of like they're like taking like what I created, my little baby of science, and just like taking it into their own, nurturing it in their way, which was odd first, like, because I didn't actually enjoy the idea first when you first put it out to us. I'm sorry, it's true. I was kind of like, really? Using dance to explain science? Art, maybe. Drama, sure. But like, I see how like well this actually has done it.
I thought it was really cool because like I take like in grade 9 science and I'm also a dance major, so I got to see like my art with people who are more mature and like they got to represent what we're learning but in like a bigger sense, and it was really cool to see like the two factors.
I felt like it was a lot easier to like visualize the concepts when like dancing it out. Like with the Big Bang Theory and all that stuff was kind of like you can see like how energy